One of the challenges in astronomy is trying to locate objects in the sky. So we need some form of reference, and the most fundamental one is using the points of the compass. We can tell if an object is in the northern part, southern part, eastern part, or western part of the sky. But after that, we will want to know or be able to measure how high an object is above the horizon, what the distance between two objects is, and indeed, for some bodies, how large are they. So astronomers have devised a common system of units to make all these measurements, and the unit is the degree. Imagine if you could superimpose a large protractor across the night sky. The protractor would stretch from one point on the horizon over to the opposite side, and this, as we know, is 180 degrees. And this gives us our unit of measurement, the degree. In the example that we have here, the planet is about 40 degrees above the horizon. Anything that's at the zenith, i.e. directly above your head, is said to be 90 degrees above the horizon. We can also use degrees for object measurement. For example, the moon is approximately half a degree in width. As you know, all celestial bodies appear to be constantly moving across the sky, and they move at the pace of about 15 degrees an hour. This means that the moon will move its own width across the sky in 2 minutes. But I hear you ask, what use are these units to the casual observer? How big is a degree in reality? Do I need equipment to measure in degrees? Well, yes, you do. It's called your hand. And what you do is you hold your hand out at arm's length, and using the fingers on your hand, you can estimate distance in degrees. Your pinky or little finger is approximately 1 degree in width, and so 2 widths of the moon is about equal to the width of your little finger. If you hold your 3 fingers as shown, this gives you an approximate of 5 degrees. The clenched fist held out is approximately 10 degrees wide. If you stretch out your index and little finger, as shown, this span about 15 degrees. I call this the rock and roll pose. And finally, the full outstretched hand is about 25 degrees in width. These are just approximations. They are not an accurate measurement, but they will help you to find your way around the sky. If you know the general direction of an object and its distance above the horizon, you will have a good idea where to find it.
Skies.